this lesson, we are going to look at a common personality test. First of all, can you remember what is a personality trait? And how does being aware of your behaviour or personality help you? There are lots of different personality tests, but we are going to tell you about one of the most commonly used ones, because it is a good predictor of success. The Ocean Model measures 5 commonly used personality traits: openness to new ideas, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and finally, neuroticism. You can rate yourself on each one as we go through them: low, medium, or high. Here you can see some differences between low and high openness to new ideas. Which one are you most like? Conscientiousness. Are you low, high, or in the middle? Extroversion. Agreeableness. Last of all, neuroticism. Out of the 5 personality traits, conscientiousness and neuroticism have been found to be the most important for your academic and professional progress. This was found out by studying a very large number of people in a wide range of careers. Conscientiousness is to do with organisation and reliability, and we will look at this later and also give advice on how to increase motivation. Neuroticism is often called negative emotion, and being too neurotic can make a person emotionally unstable. They are unable to cope with the difficulties of everyday life, and as a result, they fall further and further behind their peers. We are going to concentrate on neuroticism in this section because it can have such a big effect on your progress. Remember, there isn't a right or wrong type of personality. We are all different. However, extreme behaviour can be a problem, especially being too neurotic. Here are some of the main characteristics of low and high neuroticism. Do any of them apply to you or anyone you know? How neurotic someone is tends to result in 4 main ways of behaving. In the next section, you will learn about each one, and the problems some of them can cause. You may agree or disagree with some of the ideas in this presentation, or you may have questions you would like answered. You could discuss these now in your group. It can be interesting to compare the personality traits of people you know. Finally, what do you think the 4 main thinking styles are like? There is a lot of information on this presentation. Becoming familiar with it can help you with your studies and career. Remember, people cope better with challenges when they are aware of their own behaviour. You can watch this presentation again at any time. Over the next week, try to be aware of your behaviour and see if you can spot any of the personality traits discussed in this presentation, as well as doing an online Ocean personality test. There are several free online versions. You could also observe other people's behaviour. It can be interesting to compare how different people respond to similar situations and if any are more effective than others. Lessons, free time, and out of college are all good situations to observe behaviour. Next time, the 4 main thinking styles.